Hello friends, subscribe my channel question answer. Topic is mathematics. Your first question, when did you start learning math? Your answer, I started learning math at the age of the 4 when my parents enrolled me in the kindergarten. Your second question, do you like math? Your answer, to be honest, I am not very much into math. I like science and English literature instead. I find math cute, complicated. Your next question, who taught you math? Your answer, Mrs. Sonam taught me math during the first few years in school. She was a diligent and brilliant teacher. Your next question, how are your favorite teacher so far? Your answer, well, Mrs. Sonam is my favorite math teacher so far because she was acute skilled at explaining the concept and basic of math. She provided the level-based explanation to each student. Your fifth question, is the math difficult for you to learn? Your answer, yes. I find math to be most difficult subject. Both algebra and geometry are the complicated, and I used to find it difficult to understand math lesson and had to work hard on this subject particularly. Your sixth question, do you like to use a calculator? Your answer, yes. I like using calculators because it saves lot of time in making complex calculations with accuracy. It's cute, a useful device for the students as well as working people who have to make numerous calculations such as for accountant. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.